You know ID in the town all day. ID in the SEA. You know ID in the town all day. ID in the SEA.
First Hill, Chinatown, ID, West Side, CD, Lake City, Greenwood, Green Lake, East Lake, West Lake, Lakeview, maybe even Bellevue, Belltown, Waterfront, Pioneer Square, yes sir, Atlantic, Maine, Minor, yes sir, let's ride, let's shy, Broadway, Pike Place, now make it to the beach, Rainier, Casket. Wallingford, Fremont, Uptown, Downtown, Delridge, High Point, Highland Park, Georgetown, White Center, Roosevelt, Sandpoint, Fitty, Northgate, South Park, Columbia City. So what you saying, man? And what you claiming? They got some folks leaving, got other folks coming. Somebody had to go and say something because
you know ID in the town all day. ID in the SEA. You know ID in the town all day. ID in the SEA. You know ID in the town all day. ID in the SEA. You know ID in the town all day. ID in the SEA.
Vinny Askew, Lenny Wilkins, Vernon Maxwell, Gus Williams, Dale Ellis, Slick Watts, Ray Allen, Sam Perkins, Downtown, Freddie Brown, Ricky Pierce, John Dennis, Eddie Johnson, Nate McMillan, Xavier McDaniel, Durant, Granberry, Shrimp, even Steve Scheffler, Frank Rakowski, Lonnie Shelton, Spencer Haywood, Jack Sigma, No McElvain, Maine, Greg Kelser, Dana Barrows, Tom Chambers, Sean Kemp, and the great Gary Payton.